Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert GGives to CIMB Bank. Alright, let's begin. First things first is access your GCash application and log into your 4-digit PIN code. And once you're logged in, go to view all services and here before you go to borrow. I would like to let you guys know that this may not be available for all the users of GCash application. You'll just have to use the GCash app most recently or most of the time so that you'll be able to be eligible to use or to have GGives. Now once you are eligible to use GGives, just go to view all services and then go to borrow. Now from borrow go to GGives. So this is going to be your interface if you are not yet eligible to use GGives. But if you are already available, then that specific amount available for you will be posted in here. This will look something like this. Now all you have to do is just to tap on that specific amount and directly tap convert to CIMB Bank. Now once you tap convert to CIMB Bank, you will be redirected to log into your CIMB Bank account. Now all you have to do is just input necessary details like your phone number for verification and it will automatically be converted from GGives to CIMB Bank. So that's basically how you can convert GGives to CIMB Bank. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.